on the other part. Okay guys, now we must pull these 4 pins. These 4 pins must go in and this all must pop out. So we must take something like a flat screwdriver and do this. Okay, see, this is now popped out, this final plastic piece that holds the leather, so we can now remove the old leather and the knob. If you want to just change the knob, but I'm showing this to you if you want to just change the knob, the upper part, or you just want to change the leather if your knob is good. But I purchased the entire section, so I'm not gonna do this like this. So I'm just gonna pop up the new part that I have. Okay, let's go now to finish this. Okay, since I have all this new and the new leather will go with this, I'm just gonna pop out the leather part.